Guys, welcome back to another new video, and in this video we are going to learn about how to add animation in MS PowerPoint. So let's begin. So guys, to add animation, we need to go to animation tab that's over here. So guys, firstly I would like to tell that I am using the 2007 version of PowerPoint. So in the animation tab we can see preview, custom animation and animations and animations and animations. So guys, to add animation in a slide, we need to go from over here and set our the animation, and to add something like, for example, if let me go to clip art, and if I search for EPS only, okay, let's search for EPS only, and here the photo is over here. I'll just open it. Okay, now sorry for the background disturbance. So now I wanted to add animation in this photo. How do? Okay, I will add animation to this slide. I'll be adding this animation, but what about this? This is not having animation. So for this we need to go to custom animation and add effect, entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths. So if we want the exit, so here the slide came and it will go in the exit. But if we want to change the end, if you want the entrance, then it will be like this. And blinds, it will be as per our animation. So we can add animation like this, the entrance, if you want. Okay, we can go to more effects and add more effects. So I want a checkboard. Okay, now if we do play, then you can see that this photo is also being animated. But what if I delete it, remove, and now if I play, just this is a simple. So, and if you want transition sound, for example, I wanted breeze. I guess my speaker sound is less. Nothing is happening, but what if I add effect to this? Look, it's being. So that was all for this video. Hope you learned something new and about how to add animation. In slide we can add animation from here. Here are also random effects, types and bars. Here we can add many effects, and for the photo or written, for example, hello, over here I will write H name is COMPUTER computer GUI. For example, I write hello, my name is computer guy. Hello, my name is computer guy. Now I wanted this text also to be I did mistake. And now I wanted this text also to be animated. How to? Just select it, go to custom animation, then go to entrance, exit, emphasis, wherever you wanted to go, and then it's here. And if you want the transition speed, means it would come slow, in the medium speed, at a fast speed, and the sound, if you don't want sound, then just this. So altogether it's your choice, and you can add any effect you want. Okay, so I will add it as random effects, and now I will keep a picture. Okay, I will just for now close it. I will keep the picture, not of EPS. I will go to tree. Okay, TREE. So if I go to tree, now here are many tree pictures. You can see I will choose this tree. Okay, this tree I choose. Okay, now I'll go to animation, and I will keep this over here. And now I wanted this to be like, I will just remove this, and to change animation, for example, I keep the animation of this hello, my name is as entrance and appear. Then if I wanted to change, then we just need to click at the animation, then or else a lot of tab will open, and what will happen, it will come twice the animations we kept. Now I will just also remove this. Now one done. Now I also wanted to add this effect, So again I will keep it as random effect. If I play, look the difference. So guys, yep, I hope you learned something new in this video. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, and comment me down what you learned in this video. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, guys.